Imagine a silent revolution on wheels, a world where cars glide effortlessly, leaving behind zero emissions and a cleaner future. This was the electric dream General Motors, GM, CEO Mary Barra promised. But is this vision turning into reality? Or are we facing a battery drain of unfulfilled promises? Let's shift gears and explore the truth behind GM's ambitious electric vehicle (EV) plans. For decades, GM has been synonymous with the roar of the internal combustion engine. However, with the rising tide of climate concerns, the auto industry is navigating a sharp turn towards electrification. Mary Barra, the company's CEO, has taken the wheel of this change, making bold pronouncements about GM's electric future. In 2021, Barra declared a seemingly audacious yet critical goal: an all-electric GM by 2035. She further fueled excitement by announcing a target of selling 400,000 EVs in North America by mid-2024. These statements painted a picture of GM charging ahead of the competition in the EV race. But before we get carried away on the electric highway, let's take a closer look at the map. Are the promised destinations aligning with the actual road? Promises versus progress. Early 2022 saw analysts and consumers eagerly awaiting a wave of GM EVs. However, as the year progressed, news from Detroit took a concerning turn. Revisions became the norm as GM was forced to continually downgrade its sales targets. The once lofty goal of 400,000 EVs now seems more like a distant mirage. Industry experts now believe the company will struggle to reach even 250,000 EVs sold in 2024. This significant shortfall raises crucial questions. Was the initial target simply a marketing ploy to grab headlines? Or is GM genuinely struggling with unforeseen challenges? The affordability gap. Another key element of Barra's vision was affordability. She emphasized making EVs accessible to a broader range of consumers, not just early adopters with hefty wallets. Unfortunately, the current reality paints a different picture. The most affordable Chevy EV currently starts at a price tag exceeding $43,000. This price point is far from mass market, leaving the dream of an electric future out of reach for many middle-class families. Investigative pause. So where do we stand? Is GM's EV future full of empty promises? Or is there a glimmer of genuine progress behind the scenes? Time will tell. However, one thing is certain: consumers deserve transparency. A clear roadmap with realistic timelines and achievable goals is crucial to rebuilding trust and keeping the electric dream alive. The transition to a clean future is a long journey, not a quick pit stop. While GM's initial promises for its EV revolution may have been overly optimistic, there's still room for course correction. By focusing on affordability, refining battery technology, and delivering on concrete goals, GM can still become an electric leader. The question remains: will they accelerate towards a sustainable future or sputter out, leaving us with a battery of unfulfilled promises? Only time will tell what lies ahead on GM's electric highway.